Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Wanda Maximoff costume for women, a full cosplay set that brings the Scarlet Witch to life in stunning detail. Whether you're preparing for Halloween, a cosplay event, or just want to channel your inner Wanda, this costume offers everything you need to create an authentic and captivating look. Right out of the box, this costume impresses with its complete set. It includes the iconic tops, cloak, mask, gloves, girdle, and trousers. Everything carefully designed to mirror Wanda Maximoff's signature style. The color choice, a vivid scarlet, perfectly captures the character's powerful and mysterious aura. The fabric blend of polyester, cotton, and spandex ensures flexibility and comfort, allowing you to move freely while maintaining the look. One of the standout features is the craftsmanship of the materials used. The costume incorporates composite leather and spandex leather elements alongside cotton and polyester, which give it a high-quality feel. The cloak flows elegantly, adding dramatic flair, while the fitted trousers and girdle enhance the overall silhouette, making sure you look both fierce and fashionable. The headwear, including the iconic Scarlet Witch crown-inspired piece, is a great addition, completing the look from head to toe. Though the materials prioritize comfort, the attention to detail in the design makes this outfit suitable for photography, role-playing, or any themed party. It's versatile enough for family gatherings or costume balls as well. When it comes to care, the costume requires hand-washing in cold water. This recommendation helps preserve the colors and fabric integrity, ensuring the outfit stays vibrant and durable for many wears. The costume's origin is imported, reflecting the global craftsmanship behind this piece. Sizing options are broad, ranging from extra small to 4X large, making it accessible for a wide range of body types. This inclusive sizing means most fans can find their perfect fit to embody the character comfortably. In summary, this Wanda Maximoff cosplay costume stands out as a premium choice for anyone serious about portraying the Scarlet Witch. It combines detailed design, quality materials, and practical comfort into one complete package. For your next cosplay or Halloween event, this costume will have you stepping out with confidence and style. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this overview and want more honest product insights, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Until next time, keep critiquing and stay awesome.